You are going to love 2015 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, center console with lighting, power windows, one-touch windows, 4. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. Come see the car for yourself.